Hey guys, welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I am under my pop-up kind of right now because if you know what our old camper looked like, one of the things we loved about it was the RV map, and where we put the states on, what states we've been to, or not just been to, but camped in. Well, that camper is no more, and so we did replace it, and I decided it's going to go right here on the back. So, I'm going to disinfect, wipe it up, and put her down, and we'll see how we do. See how it looks back here. The door on this camper is too narrow for the map, so I didn't want to just be cutting a state off. So we're trying the back, and I think that actually might be cooler. Got a clean spot now. Maybe I should do the rest of the camper. Alright, let's try it out. Microfiber to the rescue. If you're on a never-ending battle against stink bugs in your camper, drop us a comment. Let us know we're not alone. I'm kidding, I know we're not. By the way, I did order the same one again. I know there's lots of kinds out there on Amazon. I like the one with the cartoony pictures. I don't know, some of the other ones that had photos were really cool, but this seemed more natural. Most of it is all nature. Here's our blank canvas. Now, should we put it here or up high? I think right here. That's not how it goes. Okay, so this is a little scary. I just found it in the barn. It's going to work just like a credit card. Here we go. Can you guys hear the chicken laying an egg on the other side of this barn? It's hilarious. Yikes, this is kind of scary, but I feel like it's perfect. If you've never done any sticker-like thing like this before, start in the middle, push the bubbles out to whichever direction is closest. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I know it's really anticlimactic. It's a blank canvas, and I'm going to fill in the states that we have already camped in, and we're looking hopefully to do some more soon. What states have you camped in, and how many more states do you have to go to fill up? Because we've been to most of the states, but we have not camped in them, so we don't count them. What are your guys' rules? Do you pass through a state and count it? Do you have to sleep in the state? We have to sleep in our camper in the state. That's our rule. Not trying to fill it too quickly. I legitimately want to camp in every state. That's just an adventure dream of mine. We might have to rent one in Hawaii someday just to get that accomplished. Let us know if you guys have one of these. If you want one, I will drop a link to this in the description below. Stay tuned. We do have some camping adventures coming. I do have some things to do to our new camper. A little bit minor making over. So I can't wait to show you guys what we have in store. All right, great state of Illinois is going first. Gulf State Park in Alabama was the best. We got to go back there. Okay, well, I'm going to take a pause. I'm going to let the kids come back. I'm going to double check which states we really went to before I get carried away. Yeah, the shot right there. Okay, so we definitely need Kentucky. What do you think?
Let's see. Colorado.
Yes. You find it while I get it unstuck.
Is it this one?
Yep. CO, Colorado. Good job. Okay, I think we're about done. She's just checking up to make sure. I took the map inside and I went through our camping journals and I checked them all off just to make sure that we got all our adventures covered. So, what stickers are we going to add this summer?
Minnesota.
Yes, let's add Minnesota.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Hawaii.
I want to go there too, but not this summer. And how are we going to get our camper there? You know where I want to go?
What?
All of them.
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, thanks for hanging with us. We still have some states to go, obviously, and we're going to keep trucking and keep adventuring. You guys keep adventuring, and we'll see you out there maybe. Happy camping.